Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to change the page color. Most of the people they think always you can use the white page, but this is white page, it is just a default page color. So here I'm going to show you the step you can pass through, then you can change the watch the page color. So for those who are new on my channel, please subscribe, make comment and share. So the first step, most of the time you're going to use this text. I just choose it randomly in order to see how to be looking. To change the color, you have to just come here to design. In the designing, just press design. Okay. Then here we have page color. Then here you press on this arrow and you can select any color as you want. For example, let me choose the red one. If I press here, as you can see, our page it is changing to red. Even if you go to the next page, it will be also red. So this is how you can change the page color. Let me show you also how you can remove the page color and put it to the default paging color as we said. It is just very simple. You have to go back to design, then come back to page color and press remove. Then you remove the default page color as we said, and you come back to the default. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and make comment. Thank you.